इस वीडियो में हम दुनिया में मौजूद लेक्स और वाटरफॉल से रिलेटेड जो इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs हैं जनरल नॉलेज के उनको डिस्कस करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले है डैश इज़ द बिगेस्ट फ्रेश वाटर लेक ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। चिलिका लेक, लेक सुपीरियर, कैस्पियन लेक, डाल लेक। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज लेक सुपीरियर। डैश इज़ द डीपेस्ट लेक ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। Titicaca, Baikal, Victoria, Superior. The correct option is Baikal Lake. Lake Superior is located in USA, Brazil, Russia, none of these. The correct option is USA. A cataract is marshy creek, huge waterfall, mountain pass, volcanic eruptions. The correct option is huge waterfall. The Great Bear Lake is in North America, Siberia, New Zealand, Canada. The correct option is Canada. Dash is the most polluted lake of the world. Lake Mead, Lake Victoria, Lake Huron, Lake Erie. The correct option is Lake Erie. Dash is the highest waterfall of the world. Tugela, Angel, Ribbon, none of these. The correct option is Angel. Trout Lake is found in France, China, USA, Canada. The correct option is Canada. Dash is the saltiest lake of the world. Titicaca Lake, Dead Sea, Ural Lake, Great Bear Lake. The correct option is Dead Sea. Lake Disappointment is found in New Zealand, Australia, France, USA. The correct option is Australia.